Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be reviewing cat pressure washer 1800 psi everything. So it's gonna also show you the demonstration of it. Let's turn it on. Let's not turn it on. Let's see. All right, I'm going to the thing right here. Checking the denting test reset. All right, got it on. Just press these buttons onto the cord. It got some warning sign. I put everything on the shade, so no heat will break it. Another thing, put away from the grass, the extension cable. Coffee is not that loud for you guys. I lost the gun, everything. So yeah, hopefully I did not accidentally mute myself. So yes, let's go. This is what happens when you lose stuff. Don't lose stuff. Uber Flex hose, the color blue. Everything is going good, great. Getting better right there. I think it's probably 80 degrees outside. Good shading for my car, everything. Let's do the tires. I scratched up that plastic thing. Ooh. Yes. All right. Let's cover up the microphone so no water actually hits it. All right. Let's see if I can crank up the thing. All right. Nope. The gun to it doesn't really go on it. Bring my leaf blower with me just in case. It kind of sounds like that. Oh, yep, at that car wash. Yeah, like putting my finger onto it didn't hurt. I think putting my finger on top of it increases the what's it called, the speed. Look at that. Right. Let's not kill my thumb because the pressure is going strong. I have to use pliers to take it off now and retighten it if you want. Probably had to max out the water outlet from the nozzle. I think both my hoses are 50 feet long. So yeah. And then I wish the fence path is cleared since, man, this whole gas got dirty with all this grass. Don't wanna mess up the front yard thing. I guess just carry the extra rope like a lasso right there. Okay, I got no idea what happened because it used to be screaming. You can't force it onto it. Hopefully the microphone did not break. Hopefully it's waterproof, slightly waterproof, water resistant. Ooh. All that water felt good. All right, let's now clean the windshield, everything right there. But like country, once you guys got the on it, you know what I'm talking about. But spray anything on it, after it dries, then you know some people are done that story. You can right here to fix the car. Go this way. Go this way. Got the car wash. Oh yeah, I guess I can remove bird guano off the car. Probably allow me to use that word. If you have Ace Ventura, you guys should check out the movie, Ace Ventura movie. Actually, link down below for all the stuff I use. I don't have a bucket, but you know, it's great. I have as much as I want. But you know, I will make you something like hot and give it. You know, just straight up blasting. This video will be one video, so I'll have to do 2 car washes, 2 cars to be sensitive. So if I do a fancy guys, you know, when I hit this part, I stretch the hose more. You know, put my way, more holes, more length, the better. So, don't get fitted. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, my friend doesn't get away from the inside or giving the door the other thing gets wet. Yeah. So, especially the back or the door side. Not that good still. On the next frame, the glass. Yeah. That's right. You can grab something the mirror. I just use power. So yeah. Okay, I'm not nothing. Look at I keep my fresh healthy, the shades, the well, just cleaning it with my weak power, a good amount of power, the amount of power you need. Right. You don't need the super strong, car wash. Right. Cool. Look at I don't need the I just use my I'm cutting nothing. Couple $9, maybe the exercise of it. Take that off right there. And then you know some people like what's it called, do it. Actually man right there, and actually man. Semi or something. You know, just keep on washing all the time. Huh? What? I didn't know that. Look at that, this is like a door, right there. Over the counter, I'll just have a few stories, there's a mechanic, that's good. Missing some pieces right here, I'm missing pieces right now. I got my own thing now, so maybe, my car's hard. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about, I can that. Hold on. Boom. Yeah. I think maybe put your pressure washers, keep it away, maybe like take it away, get 50 hose, 100 hose, look at that. Good thing on that. Just switching out the car, keep it chain, keep it, what's it called, not getting hit. Look at that, I get my spray can, and whatever. I'm about to take a cans and I'll this car here, I want to be cheap. You know, care about the health of my car. The health of my car is and how that's. Also, I'm really depend on the mechanic side as well. And I like it, I'm not mechanic. So, you know, what's been on mechanic 2 years, 2.5 years, 2.5 years, something like that. You know, yeah. And it's lasting. Like, yeah, let's do this, right? Yes, turn off the hose, you know. Right, turn off the right hose, as well, right? It's not keep right off the machine right at the end of the hose, right? Cool, now we good. I'll be back to the door. As I can. Yeah, watch my stuff. Geez, all this